Hi everyone, in today's video I'm doing a quick and easy Navratri makeup look. This is the look I'll be recreating. I'll start with a primer. This is a silicone based primer. It smoothens the skin and blurs the pores. Next I'm using this foundation from Loreal. This is a medium coverage foundation. It has some shimmer in it which looks good for such festive occasions. Next I'm using this concealer from Maybelline in my eye area to conceal my dark circles. Next I'm using a lighter concealer from L'Oreal to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, chin and my forehead. Now to fix everything I'm using this compact from Wet&Wild. Then I'm using with the same wet sponge in the areas where I tend to get oily and lightly dusting it with a brush on the rest of my face. To contour my face, I'm using this contour powder from Sugar to add some shadows to my cheekbones as well as along the jawline and also on the sides of my nose. For the cheeks, I'm using this blush from L'Oreal. This is a subtle pink shade, looks beautiful on Indian skin. And then I'm going to use the darkest shade from this palette to fill my brows nicely. Next, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use this gel liner from Nykaa and line my eyes. I'm going for a winged eyeliner look, but if you don't know how to do it, then you can totally skip the wings. Now I'm using the green kajal from Lakme and lining my waterlines as well as my lash line. Then using this eyeshadow to intensify the kajal. And for highlight, I am using this lighter eyeshadow to highlight my inner corners, brow bones, cheekbones, tip of my nose and cupid's bow. Now I am just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. And for the lips, I am using this magenta pink liquid lipstick to complement my eyes. And that is all for this look. Hope you enjoyed the quick makeup look. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.